In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to improve your privacy, reduce tracking, and limit how websites follow you around the web with ads and cross-site monitoring. If you want more useful tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to go to the top right corner of the window. There you'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu, and then from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page. Now on the left-hand side of the settings screen, look for Privacy and Security. Click on that because this is where Chrome keeps all of the options related to your browsing privacy, site permissions, and cookie controls. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, look for the option labeled Third-Party Cookies and click it. This section controls whether websites can use cookies from other sites to track your activity across the web. When you open this page, you'll see the cookie permission settings available in Chrome. To block these tracking cookies, select Block Third-Party Cookies. As soon as you choose this option, Chrome will stop most cross-site tracking cookies from being stored and used in your browser. That means websites will have a harder time following your browsing activity across different pages and domains, which can help improve your privacy while you're online. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over your data. Keep in mind that some websites may not work exactly the same after blocking third-party cookies, especially sites that rely on sign-in systems, embedded services, or shopping carts. If that happens, you can always come back to this same area in Chrome settings and adjust the option later. But for most users, blocking third-party cookies is a smart privacy move and a good default setting to start with. And that's it. You've now blocked third-party cookies on Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome privacy tips, browser settings, and beginner-friendly tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.